Alright, YouTube. Today we're going to be talking about this 20 volt Max XR drill from DeWalt. Has a lot of rugged material. It does have a big LED light. As you can see, it's right here. Has reversible. Has it has the torque right here. The speeds has 1 speed, 2 speed. I gotta say, it's a good product. We haven't used it much, but it's from what I used it, it's been pretty good. It's real strong. Comes with the DeWalt 20 volt Max XR lithium ion battery. It has a recharging time about 60 minutes on the battery. The tool weighs without the battery about 4 pounds. The tool height, it's well, the height this way, the length or whatever you want to call it. It's about 9 inches, and the tool length, it's about 6.5, and the tool width, it's about 2 inches. So yeah, and I do have, it does come with the brushless motor. I do have the older version of this to compare it. As you can see, it's much longer. It's a much longer drill. A lot longer. Much heavier. Much heavier. Battery's a lot bigger. This part's real long. Obviously the weight, the design. DeWalt's been, it's been great on changing their design. Obviously making it smaller, more powerful, and real convenient. With all these LED lights. With the nice transmission, easier to shift from the speeds or the torque. I gotta say, DeWalt's been doing a great job with these drills. We had this drill for a long time, same as our impact drill. We bought this with our impact drill, and it's been serving quite well. These are our new products that we bought recently, so from what we used it, it's been working real good. Had absolutely no problems, no complaints about it. Yeah, it's been working well. It does come with the charger, and let me turn this off. Alright. Oh, this is the switch for the light. If you want it to stay on, or if you want to just do a delay or completely off. It does come with a charger. It lets you know if it's charging, if it's charged, or if it's on delay, like if it's real hot, real cold. Yeah, this is my quick review on this 20 volt drill XR from DeWalt. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and the little bell icon. Thank you.